and they already started working on it. This is the ground floor, but I need to discover that my microphone is not working, so I'll just have to start it from the start. I'm just going to use the arrow tool, highlight all of this and just delete it, and then I can work now from afresh. So once I go to my option tools, I want to reconfirm my working environment settings. So I'm working with plain millimeters, I'm working with millimeters. Also I can reconfirm the dimensions. The dimensions are also in millimeters, so just press OK. So the next thing that I'm doing, I'm going to my wall tool, just double click it, and then I need to set it at default. It will be at 3000, but I need it to be at a height of 2500. So I'm just going to write -500 to key in -500, so it's at height of 25,000 now, 2500. So, and I'm using a wall thickness of 200. So I'm using a wall height of 2500, so that later on I can come and do a beam of 450 and a slab of 150 for now going to the first floor. So on my ground floor, I'll just start by highlighting the major walls of this ground floor. So I'll start by doing a wall right over here, and the boundaries of this plan of its wall is at 18,700, and then press enter. Then I'm going to drop at a distance of 19,800. Then just press enter. Then I am going to have this as start, and then start. So these are the boundaries of my plan. Just need to go ahead and do some partitioning, some wall editing and dragging and such. So from this particular point over here, I'm going to drag a wall at a distance of 4100. Enter. I'm just going to drag this one all the way to that point, all the way to that end. Also from this point, also do another wall at a distance of 2600. Yeah, just drag it all the way to that point. I can also do another wall from this point, distance of 1200. And drag it all the way to that point. Also need to do another wall here, a distance of 2000. The distance of 2000. Enter. And then right over there. And then from there, also do have another wall right over here. Set a distance of 2000 from this end. So go ahead and just click 2000. Press enter. This time we're not going to use the inside face, we're going to use the outside face. So yeah, something like this up to that point. And then from there I can also do another wall a distance of 72 from but we can start from this point. I'm coming to this right corner over here, and I want to drag it to do a wall at a distance of 5700. So I just key in 5700, just press enter. So yeah, we have this one at this point. Just drag it all the way to that end. And also from there I can also do another one at a distance of 7200. So I have this one from this point. It's at a distance of 7200. Just press enter, and then just drag this all the way to this other point. So from there I need to do another wall right over here. You can do it from this point, a distance of let me do it from this other end. So from this other end I have another wall over here, a distance of 1700. So let's drag it down. Once I will this now. So just drag my cursor and then change my value 700 to center. And this time around I want it to be on the inside face. So you can just do it all the way to the end, so something like that. And then from this end I need to do a wall of 400. But this time around you can use the outside face instead. So distance of 400. Just you can drag it a bit point like that. And then from there you can decide to do this other one over here, the distance of 1500. So at a distance of 1500, just go ahead and key in 1500, press enter, and then you can just drag it like that to that point. Also do have another wall over here at a distance of 1000, but I can first edit this. Just hold on to the shift button, just drag this. So maybe when you are selecting your wall right over here, it got to select all the 4 walls that we drew, the boundary walls. So basically what you have to do is to suspend your groups. You come to this tab right over here, you activate it, and then you are able to select your walls as individual walls, as individual elements. So you can be able to drag it like that. And then from this point I need to do another wall, a distance of 1000. So a distance of 1000, press enter, and then we can use the inside face instead. So yeah, something like that, something of that sort. Actually this should extend all the way at a distance of 6500. Press enter. So yeah, something like that, something of that sort. Also do have a corridor right up here, a passage of sort at a distance of 1500. Press enter and just draw it all the way to this wall over here. But let me first now do some edits of this walls. So from this particular wall over here, first to just drag this. So I'm going to hold on to this shift. I hold on to the shift button and select this one, and then this one I'm just going to drag it from this point up to a point like that to this point right over there, and then from this other one. So from this point I have this one. So from this point I'm going to do a wall at a distance of 1200. Actually it should be a distance of 1000. Then press enter. Okay, let me just escape. I go back and select my wall tool, and then from this particular point I do a wall at a distance of 100. Press enter, and then just drag that right over there. Then from this one I do another wall at a distance of 1700. go ahead and press enter. So you have something of that sort. Then you can go ahead and drag this one up to that node, and then this other one, and drag it up to this node. Just have to be very accurate and careful as you are dragging this one, so that you make sure they are able to intersect well. And so I also need to drag this from this point. This one I should drag it from this point all the way to that point, and then this one just drag it from this point all the way to that point, and then yeah, so that basically it. Also need to do this one, drag it from this point up to that point, and then from this one, from this one, even this one also need to drag it inside. So just take this node, and then from here I can do a balcony. This balcony is a distance of you can give it a distance of 6,000, and you can work with the inside face, so something like that. And then from this point I just drag this one inside over here, right over there, right over there. And then at this point I need to do some edits of this one. So I have this one, follow to the shift button, just drag this all the way to this point, and then from this one can hold into this one, drag it to that point, drag it to that point right over there, and then from this other point I need to do a wall over here. From this point a distance of 300, yeah, distance of 300. Just drag it all the way to this point right over there, and then you can just go ahead and drag this to that point, hold to this one, drag it to that point. Then from this 300 I can now go ahead and do from this point all of 4,400. So I have it something like that. And then for this one I can just drag it from this point all the way to that point. So this is where the accuracy I was telling you of. So you make sure that you're very accurate as you're dragging your ones, so that they're able to intersect accordingly. Then the next thing that I can do over here, I can move this one and drag it all the way to that point. Yeah, and so what I can do next, I want to drag this node from here up to that point, and then from this point just drag it. So we have that one right over there. And then the next one, and then you can also drag this from this point to that point, okay. And then you can do another one. From this node to this node, and then this one from this one to that node right there. So this is more or less what we have. Let's drag this from here to that point, right over there, Also this one, we need to split this. So once I select this one, I'm coming to the split tab over here, split tab, and then just go ahead and just cut it like that, and then I can be able to track this node from there to this point, to that point, and then from this point I can do a wall that's coming all the way to that point, and then just escape. So that's something. What do you have over there? It's a balcony right over there. So this balcony, we can go ahead and cut our balcony from this point. Set up the distance of 4500. So 4500, and press enter. And then this time round, we're just going to use the outside face, something like that. And then let's go ahead and let's drag this from this point to that point. Okay, so hold it to this node. Just need to be a little bit accurate like that. And then this one can just drag it from here to right over there, to right over there. So that's basically what you have. The other one you can do is you can do this edit over here. I need also to split this. Just hold up to the split tab, the split command right over there, and then just split this into two, and then just drag this up to that point. So we can also split this one. It's a very long wall that's running over here, so just split this to split like that into two. You can just drag this all the way to that point, and then from here I'll just go to the document tool, go to the line tool, and then from this edge I'm going to drag 500 and just cut it like that. Then from there just move this one up to that point, and then just go ahead and delete that to improve on the tidiness of my plan. Also, there are some walls over here that I need to do, so I should get rid of both of these. So I should have something like what, even this one I should split this, so I can just split it like that, to that point right over there. And then you also need to have a wall over here. One, two, to have a wall right over here. So you have that wall right over there, right over there. But I think I should have dragged this one even further. So that's now, let me see. What's the distance of, what is this distance of that one? That's 600, so that's a little bit. So I just need to first delete this and drag this. So originally it was at so I can do another 500 on it, so I can give it maybe like 7,000. Then if I want to just go ahead and do something. What is that? So something of that nature, so that at least we can improve on the size of this corridor over here. that we are going to use over here. So this, yeah, I can look at that. That one like that. And then this other one, what you can do is basically just drag this all the way to that point. Right over there. Also do have another one over here. And this one, after this one. So from this particular point, so we come back to this side, light my one to. So from this particular point over here, at a distance of 2, yeah, so basically that's what we have. There's a staircase area, such awesome to see that one. And go ahead now. We also do have a chimney right over here that I need to do. Let's have this dimensioning over here. So from this particular, let me just get rid of these walls and do some other partitionings over here. So from this particular point, I like the wall tool. So from this particular point, the distance of 1800. We have this one. At another distance of 1500. Also this other one. So this other one right over there. So that's what we have over there. Just need to do some more edits over here. So I do have another passage over here that I can do at maybe 1500 or maybe 1200. Let me give it just 1200 or 1500. 1500 right over there. Then now you can just go to this and just drag it all the way to this point right over there. And then next you can go ahead and also have this other one over here. So it's at a distance of 1500. I'll just drag it at a distance 1500 per center. Then split this, hold on to the shift button, you highlight it, and then just once you press the split tool, you just command split it, then just drag this all the way to this point right over there. Also this one over here, you can decide to just split this again, or you should have opted okay. So like that, just split it, and then this can drag this moves to that point right over there. So we have that. Let us start. So there's something so I need to do over here. I'm going to just the split button, split tool, just come split, and then just drag this from here to that point over there. So we have something of that nature. Yeah. Can now come to this other end and do my kind of a chimney over here. So from this point, I'm just going to do a wall and just set up the outside face, just use insert face. Just do it at a distance of 350. Enter, and then just drag it at a distance of 1200. Enter, and then do it at a distance of 700. Okay, next time. So once it's at a 180, I can do a distance of 700 now, then press enter, and just invaded by this lines. Yeah, so you have to move that out. Once I've already edited that wall, I need to split it again into two. So right over there, just split and then drag this now from this point to that point, something like that. Similarly to this other one, just drag it from this point to that point right up there. So we have our chimney right over here. Yeah, that's our chimney. The balconies, chimney, wooden area, our kitchen over there, and such. So what I need to do, just over here, just go to 3D so that you can see the orientation of our walls just a bit. So let's go ahead and just hit it. So as you can see, this is just the progress. Next we can do maybe the doors, the windows, and the slab, and then there on we go ahead and do the beam all around this. So we can go back to the ground floor. And thank you guys for watching. So yeah, I've come to the end of this video.